Does anyone have a Kleenex? Thank you. Well, thank you. Well, anyway, since good design, and well-built landscapes are the very foundation of our profession, I feel honored to be receiving this award this evening. But I shouldn't be standing up here alone. So many others have helped me get up these steps and be on this stage. I'm thinking of faculties, Charles Harris over here, 1958, my first landscape, 1958, how about 55? My first landscape professor, and there have been so many others. And of course, visiting critics, consultants, fellow students, friends, colleagues, and in the end, good contractors. And those of you who know about contractors know how important they can be. And Sasaki Associates, many of my partners are here this evening, and I can't say enough for the collaborative spirit of the office and how wonderful it's been to work with these folks, and especially our incredible interdisciplinary staff that saves a lot of us from being in deep, serious trouble. And then finally, great clients. What could be better than a great client? In some cases, some of these original clients and I have literally grown up together. We learned some good things, we learned some bad things, we learned to make adjustments, and somehow it's worked. They remain friends to this day. And my family is here. And I think that there's nothing more important than feeling the support of your family. And they've, in fact, have grown up with many of these clients. And they've visited the sites, and they know the clients. There's an incredible, and it's not something new to many of you, but it's hard, at the dining room table, at the breakfast table, weekends and holidays, not to be talking about clients. And the kids are exposed to this thing, and all of a sudden you're all talking the same language, and they get to know each other. That's been a great part of this whole experience of being a landscape architect and enjoying every moment of the day. And anyway, for those of you who wrote letters of support on my behalf, I have to say that design awards are wonderful, but words of praise from people you respect is really the greatest award. And finally, if Hideo Sasaki were standing next to me, and Max Conrad and Chuck and Pete Walker would know about this, and he started to jingle a change in his right pant pocket. And this was serious. You'd really begin to hear the jingle. And for those of us in the know, this meant time to shut up and get back to the drawing board. So that's what I'm going to do. Thank you very much. Thank you all.